Hi guys! Today we are learning how to fix not receiving messages on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. This is where all the important iPhone settings are managed, including notifications and message permissions. Now, inside Settings, scroll down a little until you find the Notifications option. Notifications control all alerts and message previews on your iPhone, so this section is really important. Once you see it, tap on it and move to the next step carefully. After opening Notifications, scroll down again and look for the Messages app. This section controls whether your iPhone can show incoming message alerts or not. So tap on Messages, because sometimes these settings get turned off accidentally without people noticing. Now check if all notification options are turned on. If any toggle is disabled, simply enable it so your iPhone can receive message alerts properly again. Luckily, this fixes the issue for many users because notifications are often the main reason messages don't appear. If the issue is still happening, swipe down from the top of your screen to open Control Center. Here you need to check the Focus option because sometimes Focus mode blocks notifications silently. So tap on Focus and make sure no mode like Do Not Disturb is currently enabled. Now, if you see any Focus mode turned on, simply disable it. Once Focus is turned off, your message notifications should start appearing normally again. Honestly, many people don't realize Focus mode can stop messages from showing up, so this step is very helpful. And if the problem still isn't fixed, restart your iPhone once. A quick restart refreshes the system and can solve temporary glitches related to messages or notifications. After the phone turns back on, check your Messages app again, and the issue should be resolved.